I just lost him for the toilet. Good morning, guys. It's about 7 in the morning. It was really cold. It was a cold night's sleep, but we're still out here in the desert. We just slept underneath the stars last night, so we'll take a camel ride back to the Jeep today. Thanks for joining. Let's get this started. Nice cup of chai in the morning to wake us up. Nice cup of chai. Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Thank you very much. So in the evenings when they let the camels out, they like tie their legs together so that they can't run away very far. So he's just gone and found them by the sound of the bell and brought them back so that they're ready to take us back to the Jeep, which is pretty cool. So yeah, just have some breakfast and then get on the road. Breakfast is done, jumping on the camels and heading off home. I think we're going to run or gallop or do something fast though. Not quite sure.
Running.
Running.
Yeah. Fast and jumping and oi. You hold tight and okay?
I'm holding tight, I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm not ready. Yeehaw!
Ew.
This does not feel safe at all, but the camel is running. Well, we're back to the pickup location for the Jeep. That was a wicked experience. I really enjoyed myself. So we'll get on the Jeep, head back to the hostel, and I'll catch you then. So that's it. We've arrived back to the Jeep. While I'm walking up, I'll just show you. This is actually where I'm staying. This is the outside view. So it's pretty cool. And we're back. It's going to be short and sweet today, I'm afraid, guys. I've got to edit yesterday's vlog and today's one and catch up on everything. Being in the desert, there's no Wi-Fi and no internet. So I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.